Hey guys, welcome back to my small engine repair channel. Today I have a tip for you when you're working on 2-cycle carburetors. So today I am doing a carburetor kit replacement on a STIHL MS271 right here. I'm using the OEM Walbro kit. And what I want to show you today has to do with the metering lever. This part right here. And my tip here for today's video is, if you're not sure how to set the new metering lever, then just keep the old one on there. If the old one is lined up properly like this, you don't need to replace it. This is not really a wearable item. It'll last for decades even. Now, if you do a lot of these and you don't have a problem, yeah, replace it if you want to, but it's not an absolute necessity to replace it every time you put in a carb kit. And if you use an aftermarket kit, I would even more recommend keeping the old metering lever, guys, because they're usually of better quality. So I'm replacing the needle valve. So the old metering lever worked before, it'll work again for you. So if you feel a bit unsure, just reuse the old one. It worked before, it'll work again. And another reason I'm saying this is sometimes they can arrive in the package and they will be way off. You'll put it on the carburetor and you have to adjust it. Some of us that do this every day don't have an issue with that, but some of you that don't, you might have a problem with that. And if you don't have it on there properly, your saw will not run the way it should. So again, I just sometimes reuse the old one because I know it's already set properly. So hopefully this has helped you out, guys, and remember, this will apply to all 2-cycle carburetors, no matter the brand of equipment and whether it's a chainsaw or a weed whacker or whatever. Just remember that. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.